Hey guys, Xskeletal here, back with another coding tutorial, and probably the last one. All my other videos were trash. I thought this was gonna be my big break. It's not. Bummer. Deal with it. Alright, so, you see this? That's right, we're gonna have a number doubling mini project. Alright? Not another, I don't know why I said another. I lose it sometimes. So, yeah, be prepared to be able to answer this question, alright? This is just basics, I might make an advanced course, right? I don't know. Alright, let's get into it. So we're going to be learning inputs, outputs, and defining. So if you want to define something, you would put def, right? Well, let's say you wanted to make some numbers subtract from each other. You would call your function subtraction, right? You're probably wondering, oh, that's cool, right? Put a colon right there, because you're going to have stuff inside of here. If you're not, don't put a colon. Other than that, you're fine, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click enter. As you can see, it's indented, meaning that it's in the function. So let's say we want to make two numbers subtract. So we would create our first variable, and no, we wouldn't create a string like that, right? No, that's not what we would do. We would do ints. Then, you're probably like, okay, well, I can still enter my thingy here, right? No, we're not done there. We're also going to put input. Oh, geez. We're also going to put inputs. Then we put more parentheses. Alright, now we got the basic standard inputs, alright? This is for users to input like their credit card information to make you money. So now we're gonna create a string. We'll call this we'll make it say enter a number to subtract. And if I'm teaching 4-year-olds how to code, it's this. Subtraction. Takeaways. Alright? So then we want to create another thing. Num2, right? Do the same thing. Nothing different. If I could type. And then we want to enter another. I need to play typing.com. Jeez. Enter another number, right? So we've done that, right? So now I forgot to put something here. Returning. You're gonna create a function, you gotta know how to return it, alright? So we're gonna return, right? Well, what exactly are we gonna return, Skeletal? I'm glad you asked. Right? We're gonna return our num1 and our num2, right? You're probably wondering, well, why am I getting a error here? It's because we're doing subtraction. We're gonna subtract some stuff, right? We want to put a subtraction symbol right there. So now you're probably going to be wondering, can I run this now? No, you can't. You're still missing some key ingredients. You're going to want to create an output, right? Something goes in, it's got to come out if you want it to. Good luck with trying to attempt that because it's not going to go well. So whatever you defined up here, you're going to be putting down here, subtraction. And then you would put in with parentheses. You're probably wondering, well, now I can just put a colon. No, nothing is going into this. Next is a print statement. You don't need a colon because nothing is going into this. It's not a function. You're literally returning it. So then you have your output that you would print output. And you can name output whatever you want. You could call it potato wedges. And then you could just put it in here. You can literally do anything with coding, guys. I'm not even joking. You could even change this too. You could change it to taco. But, I mean, it's more reasonable to, like, put names that actually tell you what's going on. Because then you're going to be like, well, what am I supposed to be doing here? Like, why did I call this potato wedges? I don't even know what it does. Right? So then, just keep it simple, guys. Don't be naming your multiplication problems potato wedges. Alright? So we're going to run this, right? And, really quick, put spaces at the end of your strings so you don't have them, like, right next to the string. Like, that looks uneven, guys. Alright? So, let's get into this. We're going to want to subtract 10 minus 7. Boom. You get 3, guys. That's how it works. Alright, so now what I want you to do, get rid of all this. You don't need any more. You're going to be making a number doubling mini project. Requires multiplication, inputs, outputs, defining, and returning. Get ready to pause this video because you're about to do some coding. Watch out! Alright guys, welcome back. Hope you have your project done. So first things first, we're gonna want to define what we're gonna do. So we'll call this doubling program, right? And of course we gotta add our colons, because yeah, we just got to. Alright. So now let's just create a function or variable. My bad, I'm sped. Alright, what do we want to call it? We want to call it, let's call it, let's just call it num1. Keep it simple. I'll use it for this example. Then we're going to put our inputs, right? And then enter a number to double, right? So now we have our number, right? We're going to go ahead and return num1. But then it's a doubling. We can't just return num1 by itself. We gotta double the number. So we're gonna put the multiplication symbol for computers, the little star, snowflake, times 2, right? So now that we have that, we're gonna go ahead and create our outputs. We're gonna call it output, of course. Then we're gonna get our program here. Then we're going to print our output. Alright. Does it work? I'm not seeing any errors. I'll be pretty surprised if it works. Wow! We got the string down, guys. So let's double that. Look at there. Number doubling at its finest. Really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you learned something today. 10 likes, I'll do an advanced series, or keep going with the beginning series. All my other videos on this topic flopped. Don't know if I want to keep making them, but they're pretty fun for me, so I hope you enjoy them. Leave a like, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!